Hello, my name is Mila Trisna Juini. You can call me Mila. Here I want to tell about Down syndrome. Next slide. Definition of Down syndrome. Down syndrome is the most common genetic disorder associated with mental retardation. The abnormalities that occur are caused by excess genetic material on chromosome 21. The physical characteristics of children with elementary school are clear enough so that healthy workers who have initial contact with the neonates, including obstetric and gynecologists, nurse in the delivery room, and general practitioner, relative easy. Children with Down syndrome have various health and development problems that are often quite complex, so pre- and postnatal screening, early intervention, and continuous monitoring of growth and development necessary so that children with Down syndrome can have a better quality of life. Next, and then the next is Down syndrome classification. Based on the structural abnormalities and the number of chromosomes, Down syndrome is divided into three types. Namely, the one, classic trisomy 21 is a form of disorder that most often occurs in people with Down syndrome, in which there is an adrenal chromosome on chromosome 21. The incidence classic trisomy 21 is around 94% of all Down syndrome sufferers. Like this, example, just have 21 chromosome. Next is translocation. Translocation is a condition in which additional chromosome 21 breaks away during cell division and attack to other chromosome. This chromosome 21 can attack the chromosome 30, 50, 40, and 22. This occurs about 3 until 4% of all Down syndrome sufferers. In some cases, this Down syndrome translocation can be passed from parent to child. The symptoms caused by this translocation are almost the same as those caused by trisomy 21. The three is mosaic. Mosaic are the rarest form of the disorder, in which only few cells have excels chromosome 21 or trisomy 21. Babies born with mosaic Down syndrome will have less clinical feature and health problem than baby born with classic trisomy 21 Down syndrome. And translocation. Mosaic trisomy 21 only affect about 2 until 4% of people with Down syndrome. And the next, etiology of Down syndrome. Until now, it is not certain what cause of Down syndrome. However, it's known that failure in nuclear cell division that occurs at conception can be one of the most frequently cited cause, and this cause has nothing to do with what the mother does during pregnancy. Down syndrome occurs due to abnormalities of the 21 chromosome fragment of 23 human chromosome. In normal humans, the 23 chromosomes are paired up to 46. In people with Down syndrome, there are 3 chromosomes or trisomy, bringing the total to 47 chromosomes. Like this, the example. Next. Next is risk factor of Down syndrome. In Down syndrome, trisomy 21 can occur not only during meiosis at the time of gamete formation, but also during early mitosis in zygote development. Primary acute development stopped at the time of prophase. Meiosis 1 did not change at the stage until ovulation occurs. Next, this node junction can be caused by several things, namely, the first, viral infection. Rubella is one of the most common types of prenatal viral infection, which is environmental teratogene that can affect embryogenesis and gene mutation, causing change in the number and structure of chromosome. And the second is radiation. Radiation is one of the cause of non-junction of Down syndrome. Three is aging of the egg. Increasing maternal egg affects the quality of the egg cells. The egg cell can become less good, and when fertilization occurs with spermatozoa, the egg cell will experience errors in division. And the last is mother age. Women over 35 years of age are more at risk of giving birth to baby with Down syndrome compared to younger mother less than 35 years. And the next is physical characteristic of Down syndrome. Down syndrome children can be identified by their physical characteristics. Some of the special physical characteristics include a relative small head shape compared to normal people, or microcephaly, and then with a flat area at the nape of neck. The crown is large and closes more slowly, mean X 2 years, and the shape of the eyes narrow to the middle corner, forming foot's apicanthal folds. A small mouth, shaped with a rectangle, or name is macroglossia, so that it sticks out. The ear canal can be smaller, making it more prone to clogging and can cause hearing loss if not treated. It's an example of picture with physical characteristics of syndrome Down, like this. Next is health problem child with Down syndrome. The first is heart and blood vessels problem or cardiovascular. The second is endocrine or hormone problems. The first is there is thyroid hormone disorder, gonadal disorder, and challenge troublesome sorting problems, infection and disorder of the body defense system, neurological problem, ears, nose, and throat disorder, vision disorder. Next is early intervention program to Down syndrome. Early intervention program are systematic program containing therapy, exercise, and activities designed to deal with developmental delays and minimize the negative impact that the delay itself has on children with syndrome Down on other disabilities. Early intervention program general consist of speech and language therapy, physical therapy, and occupational therapy. And it's the last. Thank you. It's for me. If my side there is any mistake, I say sorry. See you